Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do a patch cord. So all you pretty much need is some module connectors, crimper. I got some Cat6 here. So it's a little slot right there. Poke your wire through and just score it. And it breaks. So because Cat6, most Cat6 wires got the little thing in the middle there. To the other end. So what I like to do is, because it's got this piece here, pull the wire back a bit, just stretch it out. Grab your scissors or side cutters, and just cut that off, throw that away, and pull it back up. So there's two ways of doing this. There is an A and a B. So the difference is A, you start off with the green, and B, you start off with orange. So right now I'm just gonna separate these. So let's say you have a wall plate and you have just one of those jacks there. You're gonna have to remove the wall plate, take a look at the jack, and actually see what numbers on, or what colors they have on number 1 and 2, and that's going to determine which way you're going to do the jack here on this side. So I'm going to do B. So we're going to start off with orange white, then orange, then we take the green white, then we're going to take blue, blue white, solid green, brown white, brown. I use the scissors, but you could also use this. Just put it on this end. And it gives you a nice right. I like using the pass-through connectors. Always check your work after. So the connector slides right in. If that focuses. Right, so you can check your work. Give it a little twist. Pass it through. Right, just crimp. Sorry, trying to get it focusing, and for some reason it won't focus. And there you go. Let me just repeat on the opposite side. So stretch it out. Just makes it a lot easier. This thing here in the middle, It's a little bit of a pain. Cut off the string. That string, by the way, is just a pull string. If you grab and yank on it, say you need to go a little bit further back, it actually cuts a nice line on the jacket here, so it makes your life a little bit easier. So once again, we're doing B, so we're going to start with the orange and white. So right now just stretch these out. So we got orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Same thing. Oh, by the way, see this piece here? Make sure you have it pointing down. So I have it pointing down, and my blue white is right here. So here's blue white, I'm sorry, orange white, and the clip is pointing down. So you gotta make sure you do that on both ends. That's it. So now you got your patch cord. It's that simple. So make it the length you want.